Overacting, more than just acting. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, overact. It's more than just acting. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and how to use it appropriately in sentences. Overact is a verb, which means to act in an exaggerated manner, especially in a performance or when expressing an emotion. Imagine an actor who is supposed to show sadness and instead of a single tear, they cry a river, wail loudly, and perhaps even fall to the ground. That's overacting. Here are some examples to help clarify. 1. She tends to overact in school plays, making her emotions seem insincere. 2. Although he was only slightly hurt, he overacted the pain to get attention. 3. Directors often tell new actors not to overact, as it can take away from the realism of the scene. Understanding synonyms can provide more clarity. Some synonyms for overact include exaggerate, overdo, ham up, overplay. For instance, he tends to overdo his reactions, conveys a similar meaning to he tends to overact. While act simply means to perform or take action, overact implies an exaggeration. Think of it as doing too much or going beyond what is considered normal or genuine. For example, she can act well. This means she is a good performer. She tends to overact. This means her performance is often exaggerated. That's all about the phrase, overact. Remember, while acting is about portraying a role or emotion, overacting takes it a step further, often to the point of exaggeration. We hope this video clarified the term for you. Keep practicing and using your new vocabulary in your daily conversations. Happy learning!